Hi everybody, welcome again with the grammar lesson. This, that, these, and those. Let's get started with some examples to understand this lesson. Take care because this, that, these, and those, they are known as demonstrative adjectives in English. Let's get started with the first example. This shirt I have on is like that one in the store window. Okay, so are the demonstrative adjectives, guys, in this sentence. Yeah, we're having this and that. This and that. We use this to refer to something that's near. We use that to refer to something that's far. This and that, they are common in something. They are common because they should be followed by a singular noun. It's okay? So once I say this shirt I have on, it means this shirt is not far from me. It's so near because I'm wearing it right now. But once I say that one is a store window, it means that shirt, one refers to a shirt, but it's not near, it's far from me. It's in the store window. The second example, this pencil just fit in the pocket, but those pins on the desk did not fit. So what are the demonstrative adjectives here? We're having two, these and those. Again, once more time, these and those. These and those, guys, they are similar. Yes, they are common because they are should be followed by plural. Yes, right. Can you see? These pencils, I didn't say pencil. And those pens, pens here, it's a plural noun. So these and those should be followed by plural, but in the first example, this and that should be followed by singular noun. These and pencils and those pens. What's the difference between them? These pencils mean the pencils as they are near from me, but those pens, it means that those pens are far from me. So take care of the most important punut, guys, that we have to put it into our consideration. Again, once more time, don't use here or there after this or that, these or those. Once I say, look at this sentence. This here article is about NASA. That there one is about new computers, guys. You cannot use here or there after this or that. Don't use here or there after all the demonstrative adjectives. It's wrong, guys, to say this here. But what is right here? Yes, I can say this article. And here, can I say that there one? Of course not. But I can say automatically that one. This is the right answer. Another example. Can you see, guys, here? Yes, this is right. This article is about NASA. That one is about new computers. So, guys, all I want to tell you that you cannot use here or there after all the demonstrative adjectives above. Okay, I cannot say this here. No, I cannot say that there. Wrong. I cannot say these here. I cannot say those there. It's wrong, guys. Okay, let's move to another note. Don't use them in place of these or those. For example, yeah, she wrote them articles for Newsweek. She wrote them articles for Newsweek. Can I say here, she wrote them articles? Of course not. So articles here is plural. So it should be preceded by these or those. But which one? He said here the verb wrote. It means that the verb finished, started, and finished in the past. So I have to use the demonstrative adjective which refers to the past. So I can say that or those. But which one is right? Of course, I'll choose those. Why? Because articles is a plural noun. Another example. Can you see? Yes. She wrote those articles for Newsweek. Let's move to the exercise, guys. All of you open your Reader's Writer's Notebook, page 341. Number 1. Write the letter of the sentence in which the underlined part is correct. So I will write here A or B, which sentence is right, and I will write its letter. That there, or that space. Yes, without completing the whole sentence, guys. So I can say the right answer is B. Why? Because the first one, number A, he said that there, and I said a very important note that we have to put it into our consideration before, that we cannot use here or there after the demonstrative adjective. So the right answer is gonna be, yes, right, number P. Can you see? So the right answer it will be, let's read it. That space capsule is smaller than I realized. Okay, number 2. I think them astronauts were brave to travel in. I think those astronauts were brave to travel in it. So which one is right, guys, here? Just think. Can I say them astronauts? Of course not. But I can say those astronauts. Those astronauts. Because here those administrative adjective because describes astronauts. You know? So what's meant by astronauts? It means persons whose job involves traveling by spacecraft. Okay, number 3. Is that spacesuit the one worn by John Gillen? Is those spacesuit that one worn by John Gillen? Yes. So which sentence is right here? Of course, number 2, it's gonna be number P. Number 3, yes. Think with me, guys. Where is the noun? Spacesuit. And here is spacesuit. It's a singular plural. Yeah, singular. So I have to choose the demonstrative adjective which refers to singular, not plural. Which one is singular? That or those? That. That's why number E is the right answer. Number 4. This here timeline showed the history of a spaceflight. Number B. This timeline showed the history of a spaceflight. Which one is right here? So I'm gonna say this year time. Can I say this here? Can I use here or there after the demonstrative adjective? Of course not. It's wrong. That's why number B is gonna be the right answer. Number 5 and the last one. Robert Goddard helped design these early rockets. Number P. Robert Goddard helped design them early rockets. Of course, because we are studying demonstrative adjectives, guys, that's why we have to choose the demonstrative adjectives. Of course, these or them. Which one is the demonstrative adjective? Of course, these. Let's go for another exercise. Directions. Write each sentence, use the correct adjective in. Number 6. Well, that those storm reach Florida today. Which one is right? I'll go for here the noun. Storm. Storm here is singular plural, so it's singular. So which demonstrative adjective which refers to singular? That or those? Yes, that. So it's gonna be that. Can you see? That. Number 7. If it does, NASA will postpone this or these shuttle launch. So I'm gonna ask myself here, shuttle launch. Shuttle launch. So here this is singular, only one shuttle, right? He didn't say shuttles. So I have to choose a singular demonstrative adjective. Yes, right? Excellent. This. Good work, guys. Number 8. Use them or those. Painkillers. Painkillers. By the way, the word painkillers, guys, means they look like glasses that makes objects that are far away seem nearer to us. So the right answer here, yes, I want you to think them or those. Which one is right? Yeah, I need adjective to describe the noun painkillers. So it's gonna here those. Yes, right. Those. Use those painkillers to view the launch. Painkillers. Yeah. Next. Page 348. So we'll skip it. It's okay. And I'm gonna send the answer of this page for you later. Page 376. Directions write this, that, these, or those to describe each object. Number 1, a book in your hands. A book in your hands. Yeah, which one of these demonstrative adjectives should be read in here, guys? Book. So a book in your hands. Which one of these demonstrative adjectives can be used to refer to the book? Yeah, he says here, book, only one, right? So I have to narrow my choices for this and that. Why? Because this and that could be used before singular noun. This 1 point. But which one? This refers to something that's near, and that refers to something that's far. He says here, a book. He gives me a clue here. A book in your hands. So I'm holding this book in my hands. It's not far from me. That's why it's gonna be near or far. Yes, near. That's why I have to choose this. This is the right answer. Number two, a store a mile away. Store a mile away. So can you see here? A store a mile away. A mile away here, this is a clue, means that the way, or this store, it's far from me. And it's a singular. Far and singular. That's why I have to choose that. Good. Next, dogs in neighbor's yard. So it's near or far? Far from me. Okay? Yard means like small garden, okay, at the back of my neighbor. And dogs plural. Far and plural. Far and plural. That's why I have to choose, yeah, those. Good. Excellent.